So the last thing we need to do now is just set up the machine. We're going to set the center position of our engraving and then just make sure that the machine is set up appropriately for the job we're doing. So on the hand controller, I've just turned the machine on, so it says hit enter. Let's do that. So the machine is now moving back to the 3 limit positions. Okay. Now when I press menu, it toggles through all the different options that we have. And I'm looking for the word other. So there we go. Highlight that and press enter. First thing it says is access switching. Do you want to engrave a flat job, X, Y, Z, or rotary, X, A, Z? I want to do rotary, so I press enter. Then menu. Are you going to engrave inside for a ring or outside for most jobs? That's fine. Is the spindle motor required? Revolution, on or off? It's on. Do you want to use auto Z control? Yes, I do. So that's set to on as well. And then ignore the rest. A lot of that is reporting information back on the machine. So if when I get to this screen, X0, A0, if I press enter, the machine will now move to the center of the last job that we did. But I want to change that. Now in order to change that, the first thing I need to do is set it to go to Y0. That's the default built-in position for center of rotation in the Y-axis. Then I can press XY origin set, and then I can move the head of the machine, press the hair for speed, until the laser pointer, now this is going to be impossible to see, the laser pointer is in the middle of the area I want to engrave. That's fine for me. So if I just press enter to confirm those settings, and then if I press menu till I see X0, A0 again and press enter, the spindle will now be in the correct place to engrave. Just going to lift the lid now. You'll see that the glass is quite a distance from the bottom of the spindle. So using the bottom lock, I'm just going to lift that up now so it comes in the range of the spindle movement. There we go. Now when we're doing glass engraving, it's very important that we use the liquid feed system. So on the side of the machine, I'm just switching the pump switch to on, and if this is the first time you've used the pump, you need to prime it. So press menu till you see X, A and Z, and then just hold the spindle on button for a couple of seconds. You'll hear the spindle ramping up, and you'll now see droplets of water coming down onto the glass. So that's fine. Press that off again. Now all we do is send the job in the software, output toolpaths. You've got an option here now to preview the area or go straight to cut or engrave. I'm going to cut. Before you remove the glass, just make sure that the engraving looks fine on every part. Because if it has missed a piece, you can quickly go over it again.